In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install ChatGPT on Android 2026 full guide. Before we click anything, let's make sure your device meets the basic requirements so you don't run into roadblocks later. You'll want to be on Windows 10, 64-bit or ARM64 version 177.63 or higher, or on Windows 11. The good news is that ChatGPT runs its heavy lifting in the cloud, so your local CPU, GPU, and RAM usage will stay light. That means even modest hardware can handle the app smoothly once it's installed. Next, we'll grab the installer from the safest place possible. Open your web browser and go directly to openai.com/chatgpt/desktop. Sticking to the official site helps you avoid third-party repackages, clones, or anything that might bundle unwanted software. On that page, select the Windows Download button. You'll be redirected to the Microsoft Store, which is the verified channel for this installation. If you prefer, you can also open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu and search for ChatGPT. Look for the listing published by OpenAI. Double-checking the publisher is a simple way to ensure you're getting the authentic app. Once you've found it, click Get or Install. Windows will handle the secure download and setup for you in the background, so there's nothing extra to configure. When it's done, launch ChatGPT from the Start menu or a new desktop shortcut. On the welcome screen, choose Login and sign in using your usual credentials. You can authenticate with email and password or continue with a single sign-on option such as Google, Microsoft, or Apple. If you're brand new to the platform, select Sign Up and create your account first, then come back to sign in. With the app running, try the universal overlay to bring ChatGPT over any app you're using. Press Alt plus space to open a lightweight input bar without breaking your workflow. This is perfect for quick drafting, brainstorming, or code snippets while you're in documents, browsers, or games. The first time you explore features like voice or screen sharing, Windows may show permission prompts. Choose Allow or Grant access for the microphone, camera, or accessibility overlay so everything works as intended. You can change these permissions later in Windows settings if needed. And that's it. Moving from a browser tab to the native desktop app gives you faster access, system-wide hotkeys, and voice features that feel built into your device. Enjoy your new setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.